Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be making for you a Greengage punch. Someone gave me some greengages over the weekend. I'm going to use them with some other fruits to make a nice refreshing punch for you all. So I hope you all enjoy this one. I'm going to show you now the ingredients what I'm going to be using in this one. Right everybody, so I've got my ingredients here what I'm going to be using. I've got some apple juice. I've got some kiwis, I've got some sugar, I've got some ginger, I've got the greengages, I've got some maple syrup, I've got some grapes, and I've got some plums, which is from the same family as the greengages. So I'm going to show you the process what we're going to be doing for now, so I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've got my plums, so I'm going to put those into a pot, and I've got the greengages into a pot. And I'm also going to be putting my sugar to that. I'm going to put this on a low heat, medium to high heat. I'm going to put a little bit of water in that, that much water. If you want, you can cover your pot, or you can just leave that to go on. So I'm just going to let that go. Then into my liquidizer jug, I'm just going to put these grapes meanwhile. If you notice, I'm using mostly green fruits. So I might do this in 2 stages. So I'll be back with you in a minute. So I've got my grapes into my jug. I'm going to put a bit of ginger in there, and then I'm going to put some apple juice in there, just to liquidize it down. I'm going to do this, then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so we've got our plums and our greengages to where we want it, as you can see. So I'm just going to put this through the strainer now, so we can get all the pulp and everything out. So we're just going to get out everything what we don't want, which is the seeds and the skin. Then we're going to let this cool down. I don't know if you can see the steam still coming off of it, so we're going to put this in the fridge and let it cool down. So we just want to get all the pulp and everything out, and the seeds. You don't want the seeds or nothing like that in there. So put the waste in. So you want to crush this out until you've got nothing left in there. So if you're using greengages, they're part of the plum family. I don't think you see them for sale that often in the shops. Maybe you might get them in a tray in some shops. But the ones what I've got, like I said, we've got given them, and there you can see they're nice big ones. So I'm going to use those rest to do another recipe later down. So just open, I've got enough to do that recipe. make sure you get all the pulp and everything what you're looking for. So this is going to take a while, so I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so we've blended off our grapes with a bit of our ginger, and we're just going to strain this through to another jug meanwhile our other one's cooling down. So if you're liking our videos, like what you're seeing, if you want to see us do anything else, please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment in the comment section. If you want to help the channel, we've got our, they call it, the thing, if you want to leave a donation to the channel, we've got that now. You can see that in the comment section, or that round about that part, you'll see that. I keep forgetting what it's called, a tip jar. So if you want to leave a tip or anything for the channel, you can do so. If you want to see us cook anything else or do other things, we only can do what we can if we can find the resources to do it. Right, so I'm going to get all this out. So really we just want all the juice as much as you can get out. Just going to put a little bit more juice in there just to make it a bit looser. You want to get this till it's almost dry as you can see. If you press it, there's still a lot of more juices, so you just need to keep going until nothing else is coming out. So this is just all the skin and what's left. See, I've got it to where I want it now. Still got a little bit more juice in there. Right. So that's one of our stages. You can see that's the grape and ginger and apple juice in that. So into this jug again now. We're going to put our kiwi fruit. You can put them whole if you want. You can put a little bit more of our ginger. Then we're going to put just apple juice into that. Got one more soap in here. We're going to add some maple syrup to that. If you haven't got maple syrup, you can use honey, or you can just sweeten it with sugar. So that's just that. I'm going to add 1 cupful of vanilla to this. I'm going to blend this out, and then I'll be back with you. Strain this one out as well. Right, so we blended out our kiwis, and we're going to just strain this off as well. So I'm just going to do this, and once I've done this I'll be back with you. Right everybody, so we've got our juice cooled down now. This was our plums and greengages with apple juice and sugar. So we've just got that cooled down. Just giving that a stir, and then we're going to combine the two together. Get a whisk a bit easier. I'm just going to mix that together. And at this stage now you're going to just give it a taste and see if it needs anything. No, that's alright. So I'll be back with you in a minute. I'm just going to get a glass and I'm going to show you what it looks like in a glass. Right, so we've got some ice in our glass, and this is what it's going to look like in the glass. So there we have it for you. It's our Greengage fruit punch. So I hope you all enjoy this one. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave any comments, leave them in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all enjoyed the channel, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you all on the next one. Thank you.